After I did my live stream earlier today, I went down in some of the affected areas in the neighborhood and documented what was going on and talked to some people that are affected. And as I was getting ready to leave, Border Patrol showed up. So at the end of this video, I'll show you that interaction. Thank you for stopping by.
So I'm off from Lewis Lane. Hi. How much water you get? Yeah. I'm just trying to document, let people know so they can make donations and stuff. Yeah. Well, they had some cones there as I was pulling up. I mean, I don't drive through that stuff. And then someone took them out. Some lady. You know those orange cones?
Yes, I had some here to keep people from passing, but they're not. Don't slow down.
Yeah, they're just...
Please.
Yeah, I need to go get my rubber boots on. Yeah, because the waves cause more problems. See, like that guy?
Yeah, an 18.
Well, see, and there's no road closed signs anywhere. I've driven all around
We
town.
tried to call TxDOT. We called Harlingen Police.
Try the sheriff.
Sure.
I mean,
Slow down.
yeah, like they don't mind pictures, but I mean, everybody's driving through fast,
I'm not going to
causing waves.
There's no way I'm driving through there.
Oh, that's a city? Oh my goodness. Ugh. Well, maybe he's gonna go slow.
I hope so. I can't buy any.
Well, and what they don't know is what I saw. I mean, I documented a couple people like they're driving like that, and then one of those manhole things collapsed, and they went in and they got stuck.
Oh my God.
You know. But, well, good luck to you and bless you, my dear.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I wish I could. I feel helpless. I can just document and get word out for people to slow down, turn around, don't drown.
Yes, please.
Because they had boat rescues, I guess, during the night.
Yes, I think out on Stewart Place and Wilson Road, it's really bad.
Yeah.
So they're,
Well, the Red Cross is over there. So maybe they'll help, you know.
Yeah.
But I live down in San Benito, and we got hit, but not like you guys.
yeah, well, this is my boyfriend's house, and
Yeah.
I live in San Benito, and
Well,
I was fortunate.
I used to work with...
Slow down. Slow down.
Slow down.
Can you please slow down? Every time y'all rush through here, you're rushing water right back into the house.
Yeah, look, this big rig's coming through. But one thing, once you get it all cleaned out, I used to work with disaster services. Baking soda is your friend.
Baking soda?
It dries it up and it gets the smell out.
Okay.
And a bottle with bleach water, spraying it gets rid of the mildew.
Slow down. People.
Look at that guy. Look at him. What an asshole.
Slow down.
Slow down.
Water back.
am. I guess I gotta go get my boots on. I want to get out here with a flag and just, I mean, look at them.
Hi,
Hi.
you all need help?
I'm just taking pictures. It's her house, or her boyfriend's house. Ma'am, he wanted to know if you needed some help,
no,
hon.
we're just sitting. I'm just trying to keep cars from speeding here.
Yeah, that big rig came through and...
That's all they're doing. Every time they pass by and speed through here, they're just getting, we swept a lot out. And
Oh, you got one in?
oh yeah, out here. So we're swept a lot of it out. But every time people come through here, Camaro? Mercedes?
Oh, shoot.
What?
You try to come in. I'm Henry, actually.
Oh, okay, okay.
Ah.
Well, it's much better because when we got, they were able to get out last night.
Oh, good.
Got to my house at about 2 or 3 in the morning. It was bad when we came back this morning at 8:30. The Camaro and the Mercedes, the water was up maybe to the Mercedes sign, and the Camaro was up above the Chevy sign.
Well, also keep an eye on the weather. We got some more storms coming through this afternoon, so
Are you in the
yeah.
Suburban?
Yeah, I'm just taking pictures because I'm seeing too many people get stuck. Well, they're going through, and like that truck right there, they come through and there's a manhole, they hit it and they get stuck.
Yeah.
I've seen it, and there's no road closed signs anywhere in town, so
Yeah, just because they have a high vehicle, they could drive like
yeah,
crazy,
no.
and that's not right.
I mean, I had to laugh.
No.
Channel 4 is over at Bass Pro Shop where the boat service is. I wonder if they're getting a boat. Hey, can you compass a boat, you know?
This guy can go through.
Yeah, but he needs to go slow. That's the problem. She thought you were waving at her. You can probably get through. She just asked you to slow down. That's all. Yeah. That was, yeah, because they're flooded in the house, and every time it goes through, it puts more water in there. So I'm just trying to wave it. I'm going to have to get my boots on.
So I was getting ready to leave, shut the camera down, turned my vehicle around and looked up, and there was 2 Border Patrol vehicles. So I turned my camera back on, and the following is the interaction I had with them. And it's good to see that they are rescuing and helping people who are stranded or who might be in danger due to the flooding in the Harlingen area. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Have a blessed day.
Hi. Are you guys helping with evacuations? Is that what's going on?
Yeah, with some of the people.
that's very good. Because we don't hear about this stuff, so that's why I'm asking. We just steer the other way, you know.
We don't
So you guys
publicize
help
it.
overnight is what you did, or
Yeah,
they
people
called you
work.
up, or?
Well, we're working day shift, and then there's people that work midnights too.
Okay, okay. Yeah, you know, the thing is that I've been driving around, and there's going to be more people stranded because, see, like those trucks going through, and all of a sudden they come on a manhole, and I've already seen 2 vehicles drop into a manhole because it was so wet, you know, because there's no close sign. But thank you very much for your service and helping out, and so you're just transporting back to their home?
To another place where
Oh, to a safer, you know, someone with family instead of the shelter.
Yeah,
Well,
I've
that's
got
good.
people out there by Dilworth Lake.
Yeah.
Palm Estates.
Yep.
My
Yep.
house is right by the lake, man. My
Wow.
neighbor said there's turtles all over the place now.
Oh,
You already got water in
dang.
your house.
Well, it's just nice to see, you know, Border Patrol get some good PR for a change. You guys don't get it that often, and I wanted to say thank you. Is there anything the public can do to, besides stay off the roads and ask for help?
That's about it. I know they're giving out sandbags right now.
Okay, yeah, because there's some more. There's another storm coming through this afternoon, so.
Another storm?
Yep. Yep. And see, this is where the problem is. That's why I was standing over there. See how much they're pushing that water? And they're already flooded over there. So it's just pushing the water right in. They don't, they go through, they need to go slow. Well, thank you, ma'am. So there you got it from the horse's mouth.